Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today we're here with Skeng. Rain Like Hail. Rain Like Hail. So I guess this is a bad man song. This is a good man song. So we're going to jump straight in it and see what the G have to say. Skeng, make up yourself. We got the other young talent and do them thing. Let's jump to the one and hear the G. So let's go.
So me kick it up and a chin at the place. Here's a bus from the base, dance all call my name. Hot the gang on the place, from million to the main, from mail to the plane in the cave of a year. My name of a real like hail and the minimum wage. Better give me my share. Bring that to the grave with the hate and pain. Vengeance and range will bust all your face. Gunman, some do this thing confidential.
Yo, this evil. This evil, bro. This evil. Like, the whole image, the whole everything, evil. Like I said with you, the artists them go a long way for be different to the music video. And that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. That is good. But this look evil as hell, dog. And that is the warning. He gave me the warning, so. When find that something they put on them face? When get that from, guys?
So me kick it up and a chin at the place. Here's a bus from the base, dance all call my name. Hot the gang on the place, from million to the main, from mail to the plane in the cave of a year. My name of a real like hail and the minimum wage. Better give me my share. Bring
my name of a real like hail. Minimum wage, better give me my share.
Got to the grave with the hate and pain. Vengeance and range will bust all your face. Gunman, some do this thing confidential. We gunman, we run the island. Here's Skeng, I'ma sing the gun song. I really don't care who like me and chance.
Man, I tell the straight, so me as Skeng, then I'm sing the gun song and him not care who like him and chance. So basically, him gonna do it regardless if you don't accept it or not, if you don't like it or not. The fans them must say Skeng, so you don't know him gonna give them the thing.
Man, some do this thing confidential. We gunman, we run the island. Here's Skeng, I'ma sing the gun song. I really don't care who like me and chance. Man, my band, but I'm not coincidental. Just get the rental, make me show you who bad. Hot young in charge and 100 bad man. Head sick, prescribed to the Molly Panadol.
Ratty gang in charge and Andrew Oldness and Andrew Badman. A ratty gang in charge of the whole place. That's what the G had today did that.
My band, but I'm not coincidental. Just get the rental, make me show you who bad. Ratty gang in charge and 100 bad man. Head sick, prescribed to the Molly Panadol. Me a bad from me idea need. Them fear me no care about police. 1 + 3, 4 money that bleed. Me no creep in the street, quick fast on my tweets. Me no really meant to me them IG. Talk a talking, I know me can't see. People like a dead from them violate me. Me no business, we be where you want sleep. Clean, we a clean sweep. Must tiny distance 6 feet. Must funny out and not do it like we. I wear the base skyline quick speed. Hot the gang said cash for increase. I saw we do it from Spain on me. And anything the gang start complete. It complete, accomplish. I'm a day in the game, I'm a day so for steam. I'm not gonna wait out.
They not the game, him there sophisticated, him not go nowhere. So hate it or love it. Afi, put the respect on him name. That's how the G are telling you, dog. Yo.
I'm a day in the game, I'm a day so for steam. I'm not gonna wait out. So much time my name in the brains being torn. So brave, better fly and get fast. My gun off a pave my way. Engines through the gate, billion Tom Reed dog. I'm a friend, them right by my side with beta rifle. I shoot up on a clear path. So me kick it up and a chin at the
woo-hoo. Man, some friend them they beside him with beer tar rifle and shoot up on a clear path. So just imagine a group of man, say 6 man I got through. I clear the path. If they done walk through, it is Skeng. You see me? Just imagine that.
Chance through the gate, billion thumb read dog. I'm a friend, them right by my side with beta rifle. I shoot up on a clear path. So me kick it up and a chin at the place. Here's a bus from the base dance, all call my name. Hot the gang on the place, from million to the main, from mail to the plane in the cave up a year. My name up a real like heel and the minimum wage. Better give me my share. Bring that to the grave with the hate and pain. Vengeance and range with boss all your face. Gunman, some do this thing confidential. We gunman, now we run the island. Here's Kingdom, I'ma sing the gun song. I really don't care who like me and chance in. Bad my born bad and not coincidental. Just get the rental, make me show you who bad. At the gang in charge and 100 bad man. Head sick, prescribed to the Molly Panadol. I'm gonna tell this. Nah man, can't tell me none. Suck on the man. Born bad, dead bad. Ratty gang, triple double. Well respected.
I said, remember tell you this. My born bad, me I got dead bad. No matter.
Nah man, can't tell me none. Suck on the man. Born bad, dead bad. Ratty gang, triple double. Well respected, well protected, well connected. Idiot. No.
Well respected, well protected, and well connected. Hey boy! Yo, me don't want to compare him to another artist, but the video is so dark, like the song is so dark. The only person me can picture in a video like this is Tommy Lee. Big up Gozo, man. Big up Tommy Lee. The only other artist me can picture do a video like this is Tommy Lee. And bring it off. Skeng bring it off. Skeng bring it off. Like, even if you don't take him serious before, you have to take him serious though. Cause this is very graphic and it dark. It dark, look evil, bro. So there is nothing good about this, like looking wise. There's nothing good about it. The song sound good and thing. They're really bad. Big up the production team. Big up the video personnel. But more and more, where you get the master from, brother? Where you get the chains up them from a G? Where you get that from? Well, artists them bad still. Big up the artists them. Big up the young artists them. I do them thing too. Big up on yourself. Me always a big one up. Big up on yourself. You see me? Go and put in the work, bro. So anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, yeah, I want to see more. Please leave a like. Please subscribe around there, and don't forget to comment down below, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. You hear that? Peace.